So I'm gonna make a shelf on this window. Now it's kind of tricky to do because it's a weird angle. So what I've done is I've planed off a piece of wood like this, and I fixed it to a cladding, and I'm basically gonna glue and screw this in place, and that will hopefully give me a pretty level thing to go off. If there's a small gap or whatever, I can always fill it. I left space to put a strip in, and then I'll be able to put my nice piece of hardwood on top, and all of this mucky stuff will be covered up in the end. So this has been screwed on, bomb, 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 and in here. So it's quite strong now. And I've cut this piece of wood at an angle to fit and just sanded off the back so that we can fit it in. And now that just fits, kind of rolls back a bit. Maybe I need to take a little bit off the back edge. But as you can see, we'll have quite a nice shelf, and it'll kind of be flush with another little strip I'll put in here. This is where it's making a rod for your own back, because you're like, oh, I could put sides in. And indeed you can put sides in. But then you're gonna have to sand off some bits, get the right angles, and then you could build one at the top if you want to. So you could completely box your window in, and it would look really cool, but it is a lot of extra effort. I hope you enjoyed that video. We work really hard to make these videos, and we really appreciate that you helped us by supporting the content that we make. Don't forget that in the description there are a bunch of links for all the parts which we mentioned in this video, and check them out, and it will just make your life a little bit easier when you're searching for things to use for your van. Best of luck for the rest of your conversion. I can't wait to see you guys on the road.